Oh, kangkuri?
Tukibali may...
Kamu berkebelan laki?
Hah?
Kamu berkebelan laki?
Eta butuh ng kara. Dong bulan nimbulan binako kaya muni mau sa ituloy si kuha. Nta tala sinin karabita binta babi ni mandango kenda liu. Nta babi ni ni sulit tubi kenda ni nimbulan. Sora may kaluza. So bi kenda nta duindu na mndaki nimbulan tala ko rumah ni gor. Sora marau. Suara rarawa.
Iya.
Sora bagila tunongonongo na tarambi ni dola. Suara lagu tunan dari bading.
Iya.
Untuk bangko tu ya, ungkor tamata milionnya angkor nangon.
Balata?
Ronald le, tamata milionnya.
Iya.
Duire rangkarabi.
Dirza.
Sentira karaba kasi mata tu.
Iya.
Opo kira robe tamata ni singa mat kin dan nanu friend.
Iya.
Tuno kangkuri, kilo milionnya di bangka tahu nangon milionnya.
Iya.
Tuno kaya aku main nangon 2,000. Iya. Ya mo ya.
Orang lagi ngarep telur milionnya lah sih,
Iya. Mana nangon milionnya?
Iya.
Nangon
Si berburan mata di kuah kita barat lagi kemudian lebih biti ni sama boleh kan nonton benua na buri tapi di tiga rapi tapi pali bola ni ana ni mata binaka kemudian sama cukup main nonton di kormo biti na fam beka iya nonton titi di sama cukup mata di kuah maka ni binaka ni kemudian
Kila bikin kita nanti titi, dia mata kali pengono penuh untuk pasang tanah untuk nukem BK, weh. Gak itu ngono ni rula kalau sih, kalau mata kali, sakit itu yang fresh tuh.
Oke, kemudian ro bikin lebih kolo,
Gori,
ro cukup na kamba. Na kamba ya apa? Ro ngakin na tangannya sih ya apa?
Sanga, na kemarin ro ngol sakit bawa tini, ro lagi kiamat tuh kau.
Oke, itu lebih tahu sih kita live na lecture mata lima.
Vito Konikina Opunjas, proud sponsors of the Pigeon Drawer, KBSP, easy and secured personal loan.
Ibig sabihin puro talo turang na marama turo mga nila. Ano taos pa lang isyo na matake dentay nang ngalak nga no tabilan rabaki.
Iya.
Back. Baka kami taga tu na bito ka di era singa tu si tibina kalikwa.
Dono binaka.
Iya, ano mga dems. Okay. Narukutan na matabi ko, kaya ro bitel kan ro tulis biyo na kemba ibikaw. Ano bu ni tiyang ko na? Right? Na kemba ibikaw lo. Anta man kena yaw menakor.
Depende.
Iya.
Some of us, we are close to our farm.
Right.
We want to camp in the farm.
Kami na famaki.
Some of us, like us gang from
Wainunu, iyo.
very far.
Very far away in that jungle, eh?
In the jungle, like miles.
Iyo.
Miles from the village.
Na kemba ko rida barakin na dorbo se turanga se daw.
No, we all together.
All
But,
together. What do you mean all together?
Like anyone, eh?
Iyo.
Because some of the camp depend on the how you build your house.
Okay.
Some of them the lalanga,
Yeah.
the walls is Ronima kita.
Oi.
Some of them they are using the kama.
Right.
Some of them they use taplin.
Tabuli ni?
Yeah.
Some of them they use the bamboo.
They use the bamboo.
Iya.
The roof it's a mass cover.
Oh, okay.
If you don't cover, drop off.
Okay, how long you stay in the camp, in the jungle, before you come to the village?
Like most of the time,
Yeah.
1 week.
Okay.
Because you are staying in the village, you abide by the rules of the village.
Oi.
Yeah.
I thought you
Sometimes you
stay
have
in
to
the
come.
camp for as long as you want.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
as long
can.
as you want,
Can.
you can.
But you need to come home to see your family there.
Camp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of them like this.
Some of them
During
they
the
take
school, during the school time, eh?
Iyo.
During the school time, mama in the village, papa in the bush.
Oh, so mama looks after the kids.
Yeah.
Going to school, eh?
Yeah.
Papa look after the yang orang
Yeah.
Especially sometimes during the holidays,
Yeah.
they used to go as a family,
Oi.
camp in the bush.
All together.
Oi.
You wake up in the morning.
Yes.
If you don't have time, you don't have the clock.
Yeah.
But you raise chicken, the rooster,
Iyo.
in the village.
Right.
That's your alarm come on.
Okay, right.
Like, in the morning, morning.
Right.
In the bush,
Iya.
we use the who?
The, what you call the cocky.
Oh.
The rube.
The rube, yeah.
What you call the rube? The
Untung cik na Ruben tung.
who?
Iya.
That's your alarm. That's meaning in the morning.
Oh, no. Okay.
Yeah.
No. Wait.
Yeah.
So that's it's good life in the village. Eh?
Yeah.
Because
So from there,
Yeah.
it's a must, eh?
Yeah.
It's a must in the bush,
Yeah.
the camp.
Yeah.
There's a small river there. It's a
Oh.
must, eh? You should put
It's a must.
It's a must.
Your camp should close to one river because that's your source of water during cooking.
Oh iya.
During
I thought you come back to the village, fetch the water, go back to the
Then from there,
Yeah.
when you come in the morning,
Yeah.
because it's very easy. As soon as you wake up, like it's dark like this,
Yeah.
you can go to the farm.
Okay. Next story.
Okay.
This one there'll be 2 stories to it. One, tell us about the fox, please. Kere.
Okay, you know,
Yeah.
the fox.
Yeah.
I don't know why some people they want to study everything.
Yeah.
It's yeah. We have
Makes you
different people.
confused, eh?
We have
Makes you
different
confused.
scientists.
Yeah.
In the world, they study the sea.
Yeah.
Some of them they study the land.
Yeah.
Some of them they study the air.
Yeah.
Some of us we study the human.
Yeah.
But some people
Yeah.
they study the fox, the animal.
Yeah. Anyway.
You know what?
Yeah.
What is familiar with the fox?
Yeah.
If a female fox dies,
Well, the fox kingdom, nan rambulan na fox.
yeah, this is
Yeah,
you know the fox, the animal.
Yeah.
Yeah. If a female fox dies,
Yeah.
her mate will stay single forever.
Oh.
Another money.
Yeah.
And another dog will never.
Get married again.
Yeah, nil by mouth.
And them is
Wait,
nil mouth.
Yeah.
Forever.
But widow female fox look for a new mate immediately.
Okay. How about when they marry just for one day and the female fox died? What happened?
That's the rules apply.
What
If the
happened?
female dies
Yeah.
for one day,
Yeah.
single.
For the rest of his life.
For the rest, never mind, just once. Yo.
What about that
Okay, how
rules?
about
Yeah.
Mike.
What about the rules you
Yeah.
apply to human?
Yeah.
As you know, you can
Be a fox.
be a fox to human.
You want to be a fox?
I don't want to be a fox on these rules. Sana binakatan yung fox ko.
Well, if a female fox dies,
Yeah.
that mate will stay single forever.
Right.
But a widowed female fox look for a new mate immediately. So as soon
I
as
don't know who give
idea.
this formula to the female one.
Yeah.
If you want to be fair,
Yeah.
if you want to be, that's unfair for us male.
Yeah.
For us male fox.
Yeah.
No, for
Eh?
me,
Okay.
my opinion,
Yeah.
it's not unfair.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay, put yourself in the fox. What you call
Roro
shoes.
sabi na katukan mo
Okay.
fox. Yeah.
Put yourself in the fox shoes.
Yeah.
What will you do?
Who's from?
You break the rule.
If I female or I male?
You the male.
I don't want to follow these rules.
No.
Yeah.
Kama ndano iko na focus.
Yes.
Sama tuelewa.
Okay.
You'll break the rule.
I'll break the rules.
Why?
Hey, that's I'm strong. I will break the rules because I don't want to be part of this life.
Yeah.
Because I already come from these lives. Salah naman ang mula ng lili.
Don't want to go back there.
If one day, it's very suffering.
Yeah.
You want to romantic, you want to...
Yeah.
Because this life is very,
You don't want to
it's
kneel by
very,
mouth.
yes.
You don't want to kneel by mouth.
And imagine if we have to follow these rules.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
every man don't want to die.
Hey, them is
Sar.
Yeah.
Dan nakaba dan ba muresar nga nakanya nakakanang bulong-bulong.
Right, that's one.
Yeah.
And another thing,
Yeah.
we will raise our wife properly.
Right. Sar.
Because if the wife passed away,
Iyo.
we'll remain single on the rest of my life.
eh.
Yes.
Yan rumpulo focus we kimeno kata. Okay, sagay mo ko na turo ko na maramo ko sulli.
This is a story about one
Iyo.
this lady.
Ano ba sulli bangka ano ba karosin tamu? O tambu sa kiratu iferem balongon roka.
Yeah.
Na korowelo to na punto wali buka pambibi na bubal balongon roka. Imi tambua, imi tumbuna, batuwa
Pula.
area. E veno no michigan, yun tapo nang goria na matagdi ko.
Siran a business, this old woman.
Right.
Siran a business of Ayangona,
Yeah.
tobacco,
Oh.
and also chisa.
Okay.
During grog season, when you want a grog,
Yeah.
you come to their home.
Right.
You buy.
Yeah.
You buy and give.
Iyo.
Yeah. If no, if you want to write in the paper and the book,
Iyo.
Credit.
that's credit.
Bugdaw.
Yeah. Ikaw rin yung dinaw, wala.
Iya.
Payday, you paid.
Right.
So the fellow was there. He didn't want this one fellow friend.
Iya.
Is Kamurdin.
Iya.
Oh,
Kamurdin.
Yeah.
Kamurdin is a metal link. Yeah. Is a basu. Yeah. Kamurdin was there with doing every time he come and buying grog from
Yeah, from
auntie,
this,
even though 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Auntie,
Yeah.
auntie,
Yeah.
hamar.
They know each other.
They know each
Well,
other.
yeah.
It's like you are my kids, you are
Yeah.
my son.
Right.
So one day when auntie came, ladies,
Yeah.
came back from home to go to town.
Iya.
In between the bus stop and the house,
Iya.
he saw the people crying.
Ui.
This was Kamurdin passed away.
All them attending.
Ui.
Yeah.
Isa.
Yeah.
And the Marama didn't know.
Didn't know the Marama.
Iya.
Everybody was crying. When he see the minibus like this, in front of the minibus, he saw the photo in the banner.
Oh, iya, the banner.
Go sa banner tu namatay Kamurdin. Yes, Kamurdin.
Iya.
Everybody, Kamur.
And Marama saw the banner.
Huh?
Marama saw the banner.
So the banner.
Iya.
When saw the banner, he was, he was opportunity.
Iya.
Lomor-lomor. This is a question.
Confused.
Nung kasi kami boleh juga nampong ibig sa
Yeah.
Iyo.
When he come like this, he face into the wall.
Iya.
He saw Kamur.
Iya.
Kamurdin passed away.
Isa.
Everybody was crying and she was trying to cry.
Iya. Iya.
Kamurdin.
Iya.
I didn't.
Ako sila understand tak.
I don't understand this.
Iya.
How can you leave me?
Iya.
You know, my business was running fluently because of you. Every time you come and buy 1, 2, 3 bags, you go back. I don't know. You come, sometime you come, I call you my son. I trusted you.
You want the dinner, I'll give you the dinner.
You want the credit, I'll leave it like dinner.
Iya.
No, I knew it. You passed away.
Tolong kalau mata kata tahu tu kita lupa kau untuk lebih.
Every time you come in the morning, I open the door because of you.
Wele.
No, Kamur, no. Kamur. Sunny boy.
Samo mau.
You know you are living now. I don't want you to be part of it. Who will be knocking in the door at 3 a.m.? Kamur. Murudin. Sunny boy. Everybody was surrounded. Was looking on the left, looking at the who is this lady?
Yeah.
We don't know this one. Who this is one? And
Yeah.
somebody come. Auntie.
Yeah. Memang siya tukang takut.
Auntie, what's wrong? You are so
Kundraw.
emotional.
Satu kan dia mau kabur.
He's going.
Satu kan dia mau
Chichi,
kabur.
what's wrong? Why are you
Yeah.
related?
Yeah.
Why you so emotional today?
Iya.
And bang mengom
Bukit kita mau kah?
Bukit kamu bunuh lewat naraw.
Iya.
Are, why you want to wake me up? This one owe me $500 never pay. Abang ameng gombuni ngone. Arto mama si kweta beleng abang ameng gombuni ngone. Allah mau ko hindi na tubi usin bertu di sauma. Eli meneronon tawa. Winabale bu BSP wat kay punjas ansi kiwet personal loan wat kay punjas sponsors of the Fijian Rua.
Kabur di lalu gue gule.
Sunny boy. Sunny boy.
Duan remelek nama tadi ko. Farsi ko luita Kini tima kola, kini tima kola. Ni anda benar ke kimuni?
Nimbula.
Wasu nimbenga. Rasalala AK Rabono. Au cimurdi. So, au biasa sarang gitu. Paula Kordawiri kira-kira. Nisukan Facebook page, cikir nak kira post. Geso mekira nomoni taruh. Pakai temi kira nomoni tikiterua. Soli cikir nomoni kita na matong ko berapa lu besar betul kali kan nomoni borong ulmai. Pakai terlebih Stefano Kilai. Atau siapa sama singa toka Methodist Primary School.
Alright. Ningay siya to karon tayo italo kay Kamur.
Iya.
Kamurdin. Nama takani kuha.
So, boleh. Mata mangkal pakai bila kada betul kali nama tadi. Kada bila mata mangkal. Bangan mata bertu.
Boleh bila ka out palang show crew, great show bila ka Auto and Grow and Otego Mobile Ration Service Station there Belbridge ng Bola Lamas. Bila bale. Right.
Pokoknya bila ka, komabe sar sa singa toka barabi. Toka lau, pokoknya bila ka na bulu bito ka na mata di ko. Mata. Hak like pati na share na mata di ko.
Terminak.
Meta mata ka maru chirambula. Sama juga mana salika kemburaki na BTFM go kurmundu.
Sam turun tani.
Hindi Messi.
Di kalau ngata.
Terminak ka.